Good evening, MMM. Ako po si Jamila Ribon, and now I will show you my dashboard. First, I provide um, I provide 5,000 pesos for mining light. 5,000. Then my recipient is Philip 2,200, Medina Kian Osric 1,800, and JRR 1,000, total of 5,000. It was on October 12. Then I get help on November 16, 2015, mounting 5,500 in mining light. So my sender is Luz Elizabeth, who sent 5,500 on full check. So thank you to my sender, thank you MMM, and to the founder of MMM, Sir Jim Mabrudi. Mabuhay po kayo. Thank you, and I encourage you all to join the community, and together we change the world. Thank you.